I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of the Garden Gate. March break is happening very soon, and we have gathered a few things together here of activities that you might be able to get for your kids to help them get through this next week and have a little bit of fun. We have these great paint by sticker books, which is really fun. You get to create these different bird images with the stickers and the pre-made pages. Really nice book to work with. There's a few other sticker books that are also really fun. We have a bingo game for the kids, so help them to watch the birds that are in the backyard and maybe figure out what they're seeing. Good educational toy, that one. We've got these puppet kits where you can make your own hand puppet. Everything you need is right in there. Some little puzzles that are just 72 pieces, which are also really fun, little indigenous designs. We have puzzles. We have a few different birdhouse kits that you can create, like this little wren house is really cute. Probably need a little bit help from an adult, but all the parts are there. You can just hammer it together and hang it up, and then when the birds come, the kids really love it then. We also have these cute little coloring cards. So this is actually an indigenous card of an image of a bird, and the kids can color in all these different pieces and then maybe send it to grandma as a little gift. There's turtles and birds and dragonflies. Those are really fun. There's some great little socks for kids. So there's all kinds of fun things for them to do. And we have other birdhouses as well. So lots of different things. So come on in and have a look, and we'll help you pick out something for the kids to do during March break. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.